and then there are outer lands there. So real quick, Dave, is this something similar to what you believe? Because I have a follow-up to it.
So here's the thing. We don't know what's beyond 60 degrees south. We don't know what's beyond the shoreline of Antarctica, but there's lots of stories, lots of evidence that there is. This is a map that was found 10 centuries old. It was published in 1918 in newspaper in Hawaii, and it's showing like 30 some odd continents outside of this. This is where Antarctica would start, right? So let me show you something that happened with this map, which is very interesting. Okay. You know, there's ship tracking. You can track all the cargo ships in the world, and here they are. And you click on a ship, it gives you all the information. So we found a ship. We found several ships. 730 miles this ship is in from the closest port. How did it get 730 miles? And according to Google Maps, that ship is 1.9 miles above sea level, right? If Antarctica is what they say, how is a ship that far in? Okay. And then here's another one. This one is 905 miles away. This is a little more zoomed out. Okay, how does a ship get 905 miles away and 2.37 miles above sea level, right? So here's what I think is happening. So we clicked on one of those ships, and it said it was registered to the nation of Kiribati. You guys ever hear of Kiribati?
Oh, yeah. That's where the day begins.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Well, so you have heard about it. It's out here in the middle of nowhere. Okay?
Right.
Middle of nowhere. So I put a pin on it so you can see it's a sandbar. China gave them $10 billion recently, and I think America gave them a similar number not too long ago. Why are we funding them? What is going on here? They say that it's a most important trade route. Okay, a most important trade route? Like, why do we need to stop there? Are we getting fuel? Where are they getting the fuel from? Oh, what are we getting? There's not even enough sand if they want to pick up sand. It's a tiny little atoll. And guess what? On this island, just out of coincidence, there's a Captain Cook bed and breakfast hotel. Captain Cook, the guy that tried to circle Antarctica. So they got a Captain Cook hotel. They got ships in impossible places in Antarctica, right? And then think about this. On a globe, all the time zones are lines from the North Pole to the South Pole, equally divided up, 24 lines all the way around. And you should have all these symmetrical time zones if we live on a world like they tell us. You got all the time zones. But then over here, you got this weird time zone, and when we zoom in on it, this is a time zone. Okay, this is a time zone, right? And guess what's right here? Kiribati. In the most suspicious place over. So finishing up so I think that that Kiribati could be a very important trade route to the outer lands. These ships are just going out here. Now, our globe prison tells us, this ship is on Antarctica. No, it's not. It's going to these other lands. Maybe there's more advanced civilizations up there. Maybe they're trading tuna fish, computer chips, weapons, children. I don't know. We want the right to go explore.
Okay.